जी तो हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे अबाउट yes solar versus lunar letters in Arabic. Yes, I was asking from you guys that have you heard about it earlier?
Yes, we heard.
Okay, so can you explain what is the understanding about it?
There are 14 letters which is considered as solar and 14 are lunar, if I'm not wrong.
What is the
And the
difference
solars,
between both of them?
the difference between what I understood, that once the solar letters are the letters on which, once tajdeed will be on that letters, they will be, they will be connected, how you say ashamsu, it will be written alif lam sheen tajdeed with meme seen. So with if we have tajdeed over these letters, we will considered as solar letters, and if we have sakin over the letters, they are considered as lunar letters. I not remembered that 14 letters different, but these different, but the only thing that I remembered is solar letters has tajdeed over them, and the lunar letters we will put sakin over them.
We pronounce lam in solar in lunar letters, and in the solar letters we will not pronounce the lam sound.
Exactly.
They were,
This is the thing. This is the main thing which like that's how we can discriminate in between. Solar means Shams and lunar means Qamar. Means Qamariya and Shamsiya. How can we discriminate? The words we have to remember, which words should we have to take out the sound like ash, not al. Are you getting me? Kamariya words क्या होते हैं? Lunar words are like we have to take out the sound of al. All right. And the Ashamsiya words, solar letters, al-hurufu shamsiya, solar letters have the sound of ash or as or like these kind of things. At, not al. Al would be silent, like we are not supposed to take out the sound of al. This is the main difference. That's how we can discriminate in between these words. Otherwise, they have given a lot of other things. Let me give you an idea. Wait a minute. So here they have, so in solar letters, they have given that Sheen is an example of a solar letter. Okay. The letter L is not pronounced. The correct pronunciation is Ashamsu, not Al-Shamsu. All right. The assimilation of Lam is indicated by the Shidda on the solar letter. Articulation of solar letters involves the tip of the tongue, like Ta, Seen, Sheen, Noon, Ra, like At, At-Tamar, As-Sahar, Ash-Shams, An-Nur, Ar, what would be the word?
Ar-Rabia.
Yeah,
Ar-Rabia.
exactly. Ar-Rabia. So these kind of words,
Rahman.
I hope this is very easy to understand the difference in between both of them. Likewise, in Al-Qamar, Qamariya, Huruf al-Qamariya, lunar letters, Qaf is an example of a lunar letter. The letter L is pronounced. The pronunciation is Al-Qamaru. No shadda is necessary on the lunar letter, and tip of the tongue plays no role for lunar letters like Al-Baqir, or Al-Baqara, Al-Qamar, Al, uh, how can
Al-Fajr,
which word we can see from meme? Al-Matar, Al-Kahf, Al-Waqf, these kind of words. So we need to difference. We need to take out the difference, like how can we differentiate in between both of them? Like they have given a list of the word we can easily recognize, and we can learn that the words which would be start from the ta, sin, sheen, noon, ra. So we need to understand that and automatically when we start reading or reciting the word, so automatically the understanding would be developed that okay, this is the word and we need to add up the shidda. This is the huruf al-shamsiya, and we are not supposed to add the shidda with qaf, wow. Automatically, how can we do that like up kamar, it doesn't make sense. Waqaf, waqf. So this is, it doesn't make sense. So automatically we can understand that how can we differentiate in between both of them. So huruf al-shamsiya, solar letters are at-tajir, as-sawb, ad-daiqu, ad-daiqu, az-zahabu, ar-rajulu, az-zahra, as-samak, ash-shamsu, as-sadru, ad-daifu, at-talib, az-zahru, al-lahmu, an-najmu. Likewise, we can read the lunar letters, huruf al-qamariya, like al-fam, القمر القلب الكلب الماء الولد الهواء البد اليد اليد. And another word is al-ab, al-bab, al-jannah, al-himar, al-khubs, al-ain, al-ghada. So if I want to add the shidda in lunar letters, so it wouldn't make sense. Like if I would say al-jannah, al-jannah, it doesn't make sense. Akhubs, no, it doesn't make sense. So automatically we can make the things in our head, and automatically it would be understood that how the way we can differentiate in between lunar and solar letters. Okay. This is it, I guess. Yes. All right. So we should have to do some exercises as we have done today about Fe'le Mudari and Fe'le Mazi, plural, singular and plural. So now I hope the understanding would have developed in your head that, okay, this is the way we can make the things in this way. Yes, Nida and Zainab. After
Yes.
clarification about these things, I hope you can easily make the plurals from the singular things in Fe'le Mazi and Fe'le Mudari. What do you think?
Yes, it's clear. Actually बस यही जो एराब का था, आप कह रही है ना कि आप कल बताएंगे यानी कि एराब का क्या है सकता, जैसे हमने भी पहले बात की थी स्टार्ट में, तो आप कह रही थी कि मैं कल बताऊंगी, इसको क्लियर करेंगी कि एराब का क्या फर्क आता है, कि कहीं पे जो है वो पेश आ जाए, दमा आ जाता है, कहीं पे जो है वो आपके पास जबर आ जाता है, रफा रफा कहते हैं। तो इस चीज को आप क्लियर करेंगी?
Can you please repeat? I couldn't hear.
आई एम सेइंग कि आप कह रही थी कि जो एराब का इशू है ना, ये थोड़ा सा एराब कभी कहीं पे पेश आ जाता है, कहीं पे जबर आ जाता है हमारे पास। तो इस चीज को जो है वो विल यू क्लियर इट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास? आई एम आस्किंग दिस।
Okay, let's discuss about it right now. See, first of all, you were asking about Fe'le Mudari, right?
आई एम आस्किंग अबाउट जनरल, एज वी कैन सी उक्तुबू, यू सेड उक्तुबू, जब अमर में आप बता रही थी ना, व्हेन यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट अमर, फेल अमर, then
See,
there was
yeah, I got it. I got it. What do you want to say? Listen it very carefully, Zainab. See, first of all, let me clear to you, and I guess I have cleared earlier as well, that in Arabic, as as much we learn about the Arabic fails, Arabic words. So as we come across about the words that it is not it is not important that words are starting from the ma or fatha, because there might be some difference. Like you can say that in Arabic language there are a lot of that kind of things in which we get confused. They might be jumbled up, For that purpose, we need to learn that particular word. So automatically we know that here, this word should be this and that word should be that. Like, for instance, in Fele Mudare, this is all like in each and every single fail verb, you can see that everything would be started from the alif for I, noon for like ana, nahnu, and anta, anti, like these kind of things. Alif, noon, and then ta for you, second person, ta for you, female, second person, and for third person, ya for male and ta for female. So in all of the fails in the beginning, there would be fatha over there. In Fele Mudare, no dhamma will come in the beginning, no kasra will come in the beginning. Have you cleared?
Yes, it's okay.
But in past words, you will see it will come shariba, it will come khalaka, it will come fataha. So we need to see first word should be, wait a minute, where is Fele Mazi is here. Yeah. Daraba. Right now we are talking about here, third person. It is daraba. And it is Mazi Maruf. I was telling you earlier that this is Mazi Majhul when it starts with Dhamma. So it would be automatically, we can understand that it would be Mazi Majhul. But so far I didn't discuss Mazi Majhul with you guys unless we will have the complete clarity toward Mazi Maruf and Mudare Maruf. All right. So right now we are not talking about Mazi Majhul or Mudare Majhul. Right now we are only talking about Mazi Maruf. Means daraba. Get the clarity that first word, it is daraba, khalaqa, what did I say? Shariba. See, first word always have fatha. And second word would have the different Arab. Not every time, but there are some words which have the second word Arab would be different, like shariba, or you can say, right now I don't remember exactly the words, but tomorrow we will discuss a complete list. I will write it down for you guys and we will make a complete exercise kind of that things. But always remember that first word have the fatha, zabar, Arab, and second word would have the different Arab. This is the tip, you can write it down. For more tips, I will discuss about the Fele Mazi and Arabs by tomorrow. Just keep remember that when we talk about he hitted, he created, he drank, he ate, he wrote. So daraba, kataba, khalaqa. Keep remember there are three word letter only. The difference would be in Arab. Might have possible that some words are there which has the different Arab in the center of the word. But first word have always fatha, the sound would come. Daraba, khalaqa, akala, shariba. See, shariba has what is the difference in between daraba and shariba?
On Ra is on Fatah coming, and on other one is Damak. Oh, sorry.
Like the
Kasra coming.
center word has different Arab, right?
Center one.
There are three letter word which will come to show Fele Mazi about he, about third person, male. So second letter, yani first, second and third, there are three letters, and second letter Arab can be different. we have to get prepared for that. We have to get the clarity that second letter, center letter can be changed. All right. Let's come to the Fele Amar. Here is Fele Amar. For Fele Amar, Zainab, I told you to tell the tip. Just note it down. See, this is the word idrib. Wait a minute. This is the word idrib, okay? Idrib means
मारो,
maro,
Go
hit.
hit.
मारो,
Exactly. Idrib. Now tell me, it's Fele Mudare.
पहले मुदारे यदरिबू.
Exactly. See, now let's move on to the Fele Mudare. Idrib is, I am talking to a second person male. Idrib, maro. All right. Now see the Fele Mudare, where it is.
यद्रिब होगा.
Wait, this is it.
यद्रिब.
It is tadribu. Right?
यद्रिब.
अब आप ये मुझे
हम्म.
बताएं कि फेले अमर में बिगिनिंग साउंड क्या है? आ, ई और ऊ.
ई.
ई.
E. And its third letter is, its third letter has which sound?
साकिन है.
ई.
Which sound?
ई.
E.
ई.
That is E.
Exactly, exactly. If there would be 4-letter word in Fele Mudare and it has Damma, Kasra, Fatha, whatever would be the sound, its Fele Amar would be the same sound like that. Did you get my point?
Yes. Yes.
Like
Yes. Yes.
Tadribu
What you are
has,
saying is
Ra has,
हाँ,
Ra has E sound. Likewise, in Fele Amar of Tadribu, it has beginning sound is E. See? Where it is. See? E sound. Beginning sound would be the same sound as the Fele Mudare second or third letter sound. Like, let me tell you something, some example. If I would say, Aktubu, Yaktubu. All right. So, can you tell me what is the sound of third letter?
U.
U, exactly. So, how would we make its Fele Amar? Uktub.
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 Uktub. Okay.
Exactly.
Uktub.
This is the tip.
Okay.
You have to know that its third, if there would be 4-letter word, so its third letter sound would be the same sound of the Fele Amar beginning sound. Are you getting my point? This is the major tip you can make with the help of this. Got it? Or not?
Yes. Yes.
दोबारा
I understand.
ये समझ में तो आ गया. उक्तुबु के अलावा आपको
Any
एग्जांपल
other
दें हमें
example you
जिसके
can give me? You can
हाँ
give me
को
any other
हाँ
example.
अब जैसे अब इकरा है. इकरा इज 3-letter वर्ड. ठीक है ना. अगर हम इसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे दैट विल बी तकरा.
Exactly. No.
ठीक है.
No.
ठीक है.
See.
ना.
Iqra.
हाँ.
Ra has the A sound.
हाँ.
Ra has the A sound. Right?
सही. थर्ड लेटर. हाँ सही है. तो अब जो अब इसको फेले मतलब है कि उसमें कन्वर्ट करेंगे, फेले मुदारे में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो फॉर मेल ओनली तो ये
Iqra
तकरा
is
हो
Fele
जाएगा.
Mudar, Fele Amar. Iqra is Fele
हाँ
Amar.
फेले अमर ना.
And
हाँ, फेले अमर. अब हम
Aqra'u.
इस
Aqra'u, Taqra'u, Taqra'ina, Yaqra'u, Taqra'u. See,
जब हम
यहाँ
इसको
पर
हाँ तक
देखें, यहाँ पर difference आ गया. Means here we have fatha in third word. Are you getting my point?
यस यस ठीक है। उसमें एक इकरा में तो थर्ड वर्ड में जो है ना वो फतह है, लेकिन जब हम उसको पढ़ रहे हैं, जब हम इसको कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं प्रेजेंट में, यानी यानी यू एंड यू में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, सिंगल
Listen,
यू में।
listen.
हम्म।
We have to one thing we have to note down. Even you have to jot
हम्म
down this tip in your notebook that Pele Amar should be start most probably because there
हम्म
are a lot of vocabulary, a lot of word, and I
हाँ,
have to
एक्सेप्शनल केसेस आर देयर,
exactly exceptional
देयर आर
cases would be
एक्सेप्शंस।
there, right?
हाँ हाँ ठीक है
But
ठीक है ठीक
listen to me very carefully that
है।
most probably Pele Amar starts with kasra, not fatha. All right. So we need to remember kasra or damma should be there with in the starting of Fele Amar. Kasra or damma. Because Fele Mudare usually starts with the fatha means zabar, and in very rare cases there might be used the used Arab would be the fatha or zabar. Most probably Fele Amar would starting sound would be e or u. So try to write it down as a tip and remind yourself. When we do the exercises and when we try to make the things, so inshallah, we will discover more exceptional cases and we will discover more words. All right. Did you guys get the clarity, Zainab? Nida?
जी जी जी, इट्स मच
Yes,
क्लियर,
ma'am.
Okay, so
लेकिन वही प्रैक्टिस
in
पे।
Arabic, there are a lot of exceptional cases. Even अभी मैं जब आपको grammatical things बताऊंगी, you will be amazed that there are a lot of words which we say just because Arab says. There is no logic to Claire. There is no logic to explain about the clarity of understanding those words. But we say those words just because Arab says. So in this way, we need to follow the things. And I think this is the third month of this course. We have 3 months left or 2 months left.
No, it says we begin from October, so it's October, November, December, and this is the fourth month
Fourth
now,
one.
right now going on.
All right.
Going
So
on.
we would
There's
have
three, I mean, including this 3 months left.
exactly. So I would recommend that we need to we need to discuss about those words which are included in the Quran. So at least we would have the grip to understand the Quranic basic words. And whenever like the word allazina, the word haza, the word these, as I told you, fele mudare singular and plural, and fele mazi singular and plural are used in Quran a lot of times. So when we do work on that, these things and understanding, so automatically we would have some grip to understand the Quranic words, inshallah. So in next level, inshallah, I will start for the complete grammar things and Quran. All right.
Next
Okay.
level you're talking about means after the 6 months you're talking about.
Yeah,
Means
after
after the
the
6 months, when next 6 months we will continue, inshallah. So you will go to more grammar and Arabic words. This is what
inshallah,
it is.
inshallah, definitely.
Okay, okay.
So I hope so far we got the clarity to understand the failure. Let me make some more words so we can come to know how can we, yeah, इसमें से ले लेते हैं कोई words. Wait. Okay. See, this is the like yazhabu. Yazhabu. See, as I told you, most probably failure amar would be starting sound would have the sound of E or U. Here you can see yazhabu. So third letter sound is A, but we use E, is hub. Are you getting my point? So if we, yes, Anna.
Okay. It's okay.
Okay. So if we uh, understand that fatha will not come in the starting sound of fele amar, only kasra or damma means Zair or Pesh would be the beginning sound of the Fe'l Amr. In exceptional cases, might be possible that Fatha would have come. As much we will explore the words, explore the vocabulary of Fe'l, as we come to know about the exceptional cases and as we learn about the Fe'l Amr. All right. So, izhab. Okay. Yarzuqu. Yarzuqu.
Izruq.
यहाँ पे
Yarzuqu.
दमा है थर्ड लेटर के ऊपर, तो फिर हम कसरा ही लगाएंगे क्या फर्स्ट
Irzaq.
वाले से?
Irzaq.
Irzaq.
Exactly.
Not Irzuq. Irzaq.
Irzuk. It might be Irzuk. See, I
Irzuq.
didn't come across about its Fe'l Amr. So,
हाँ,
and
हाँ,
these are
because
the
ये
Quranic
ये
words. Yeah, we
this
have
is
to
this
work
is
on
what
it.
I was trying, क्योंकि ये word ऐसा लग नहीं रहा कि इसके ऊपर फेल अमर अप्लाई हो सके, because there's फेल अमर को अप्लाई करने की भी कुछ situations और conditions हो सकती हैं. हर word को आप फेल अमर में convert नहीं कर सकते.
No,
ये
no,
भी एक
all fail can be.
fail is, देखें, fail is
मुझे
like
दो,
कि
मुझे
you are
खत्म
doing
करो.
some work. It is some action ना. तो
See.
हाँ
It is
हाँ,
not action. It is like, obviously it is action. Yes. But see, Izra,
इसने अता किया.
sorry, Irzak, you have to give me, the risk. Are you like, are you getting the point? All of the words have the Fe'l Amr, and I will definitely work on these words, and definitely, and also you guys have to go through the things, go through the Quran and try to find out Fe'l Amr is also in the Quran. Okay. All right. Whatever I know, let's check it out. Ushkur. I guess it's Yashkuru. Yashkuru. We will take the third word sound. Ushkur. I know about this word. Yatruku. He left. Sorry. He leaves. And Taraka. He left. Okay. He leaves. So its Fe'l Amr is, what would it be?
इतरुक.
Third letter sound
इतरुक.
would be Utruk.
उतरुक. अच्छा, यानी कि अच्छा, ओके, उतरुक.
Leave
ओके
it.
ओके ओके.
Just leave it. Utruk.
So
Okay.
it means ke there are words which begins with dhamma, there are words which begin with kasra,
But
and
exceptionally we
there
can
are
see. Yeah, there would be some katha.
exceptions there are, but most of the time we are taking the sound of third letter. Most of the time we are taking the sound of third letter.
Exactly. Acha, okay, Nida, can you make some sentence about this? Like, just leave your coat in the car.
Leave your coat in the car. 8 minutes. Yatruku. 1 minute. Just give me a minute, okay?
It's Fe'l Amr we are
Just give me.
right now.
फेले अमर तो आपने जस्ट मतलब फेले अमर में ही बनाना है वो
I'm
सेंटेंस.
telling you the sentence. It's commanding. Fe'l Amr. Just leave. I'm
Okay,
telling
I
you
need.
that leave your coat in the car.
Okay, utruk, you leave your coat, so it will be utruk, and just give me a minute. मुझे ना उसको देखने दीजिए आप. I just forgot the word for coat. Let me look the word for the coat. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Just give me a minute.
Okay, let me tell you. Utruk.
हाँ चलो. हाँ, सुमेरा को बोल. सुमेरा, आप बताइए. आप कर सकती हैं तो आप कीजिए. I just forgot the word for the coat.
No problem. It's okay. Obviously, it's beginning to making sentences, inshallah. We will do a lot of exercises, inshallah. Utruk, all
It
right?
would be Utrukul
हाँ.
Mehta
No, utruk
Fis
मैं
Sayyara.
तफुकी.
हाँ मैं
Utruk,
तो फूकी, हाँ
yeah,
योर कोट ना,
exactly.
योर कोट इट इज,
Your
हाँ
quote.
मैं
कोट, हाँ
तफुकी
मैं तो फूक
in
in
Sayyara.
alal in is
Fis Sayyara.
ala
Inside the
ala
car. I'm telling you, just leave your coat in the car. Fis sayyara.
fish
Sayyara.
fish
See.
Utruk मैं तफुकी
He
fis
is in.
sayyara. Okay? Got it? Yes, Nida and Zainab. Got
in
it?
in is fee and
Yeah.
or in is
Exactly.
in is
In is
fee.
fee. Fee.
Okay, fine. Fee. Okay.
All right. So here we can see how can we make see here. We can find out third letter with fatha. So what do we use? Here, what do we use here in the yeah
Can you please repeat it?
for yasmau? Let's check
Yes,
it out.
now.
Yeah,
Isma.
what?
Isma.
Exactly, isma. So here you can see the exception. See, yasmau has third letter sound is a, but we are using it is isma, ismau. Got it? Okay. Yashrabu.
Ishrab.
Exactly. So if I would say drink the juice. Who will tell me the meaning? Drink the juice.
Ishrabu sharab.
Ishrabul asir. Asir is juice.
Asir.
Yeah.
Asir.
Ishrabul asir.
Asir.
Yahfazu. Ihfaz.
Ihfaz. Ihfaz al-Quran.
Perfect. Yarhamu.
Arhamur ehwanat.
Irham.
Irhamur ehwanat.
Naam. Yarkabu. Ride a car, ride a bus, ride a cycle. Irkab.
Irkabul bil hafila.
Perfect. Yashhadu. Ishhad.
यशहद अच्छा देखने को भी कहते हैं ना, मतलब यहाँ पे गवाही देना है, बट इफ शहद को तो
Yushahidu.
उसको
That is Yushahidu.
युशाहिदु
It's Yashhad.
युशाहिदु.
Even you
अच्छा
will
दिस
see you will see the similar words, Nida. Later on, you will see that the similar words, but little Arab difference. After that, there would be total different meaning they have. That's why I'm saying that we need a lot of vocabulary exploration. Okay?
यस ओके यस ठीक है ओके हाँ बेटा
Okay, all right. See, yanzuru. Here you can see. Yanzuru has third word sound is u. So its failure is unzur.
unzur ओके
Yanzilu, its failure amar is, third letter is E. So inzil. For tomorrow work, you also guys have to see, and I will also see if we can get the failure amar, inshallah, and we will do the exercises tomorrow, inshallah. Even I will try my level best to discuss in a new book or new some flyer or poster. I will get some paragraphs. So in those paragraphs, we can do some activities. So automatically we get the understanding. I hope from the today's lesson, you guys have the clarity to understand about the Fele Mazi and Fele Mudare, including their singular and plural. What about that? Now you know that in Fele Mazi, we will add after the word of khalaqa, 3-letter word के बाद हम वाव and alif you add कर देंगे तो वो automatically क्या बन जाएगा? Plural. And in फेले मुदारे ऊना, यफ्तहूना, यस्बिरूना, यगफिरूना. Yes, Zainab and Nada. Is there any question?
No.
We are running out of
No,
time.
ma'am, it's fine.
What? Do you
It's okay. It's fine. Yeah.
All right. Okay, so I will share today some sentences. I want you guys to learn them, and we will use in the class small sentences in Arabic during the conversation. So we will learn and we will get the familiarity towards our tongue. How can we use it? I hope you guys are practicing out loud reading, recite the Arabic a lot out loud for at least 10 to 15 minutes regularly. So your tongue would be the would get the familiarity and flow would come. Flow of word would come. Okay. Inshallah. All right. So let's wrap up the class. Sanaltaki gadan. Bismillahi ta'ala. Ma'as-salama. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Ma'assalam. Walaikum
Walaikum
assalam.
assalam.
Kal लीजिए